Good morning, lather lovers. This is Brian Sharp, aka Sharp Spine, here with you this morning. I just finished up my shave with my gem open comb micromatic. I used my Elite 7 brush this morning. I call her Scarlet. Bob Quinn over at Elite Razor did a great job. It's also a High Mountain White Badger brush from Wet Shaving Products. This morning I figured I'll show you a couple lathering videos for how I lather in my very hard water here in Springfield. So let's get at it. Starting with a dry brush, somewhat wet, just used it this morning. I don't soak my brushes. I just rinse them real thoroughly. You can see pretty wet, but then I shake as much water out of it as I can. This is the Fougère soap from Martin de Candre. It's had 18 uses. Doesn't even hardly look touched. So, here we go. I don't use a lot of pressure. I don't mash the brush in. Since I'm talking, I'm also not really counting in my head the way I normally do. But I typically load Martin de Candre about 20 to 30 seconds. Again, that's pretty excessive for most people, but my hard water really stinks here. Especially for the dense, creamy lather that Brian Crampert and I kind of refer to ultra lather. That's what I prefer, so this is what it takes, and I enjoy it. There we go. Alright, let you see the brush. Good. Now, dry hand. We're just going to wet it. Alright. A little dry. I'm just going to leave my water on a trickle. I just swipe the brush through, get the tips wet. That's pretty good, fellas. Maybe add just a touch more water. Thanks to watching Matt, BT Hokey. Saw him add in more water, so I've tried doing that as well. Get a nice, dense, rich lather. Very slick, no real air bubbles, and that's excellent, gentlemen. Alright, that's Martin de Candre Fougère.